Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how I registered for QCitizen ID. So guys, today nag-launch ang Quezon City Government ng Unified ID for all QC residents. So this is the first day of registration. Pwede ka mag-register using your phone or your laptop. This is online application. So here are the step-by-step process for online application. Step 1 is apply, the second step is wait, and the third step is install the QCitizen app. So for step 1, you need to check the requirements, apply, and then submit the necessary requirements. So here are the requirements. So for step 2, we need to wait because our application will be reviewed and approved by QC officers. We will receive an email regarding the application. So for the third step, we need to install the QCitizen app in our smartphones. That's the last step. So now let's try to register using the link that was provided by the QC government. So I'm going to log in using my Facebook account. So yan ang lalabas kapag pinindot mo yung Facebook. Just click continue as cat. Ayan. So guys, here are the informations na kailangan natin sagutan. So name, birth date, gender, mobile number, and the address. So we just need to provide the correct information. Dapat i-check natin kung tama yung spelling, tama ba yung number, tama yung address, and most importantly guys, ang iti-check nila dyan is email address. So yan guys, once you're done filling out the application, i-double check nyo lang kung tama lahat, and all you have to do is click submit. Once na maklik mo yan, ang lalabas ay success, congratulations, your account registration is complete. Now, merong disclaimer na lalabas, so ito, basahin nyo lang yan, and you have to check and then i-submit nyo lang din kasi kasama yan. Importante yung disclaimer, so you have to read it. Now, kapag na submit nyo na yung disclaimer, ito na yung lalabas. So ito yung mga services na ino-offer ng Quezon City Government. So hanapin nyo lang yung QCitizen ID, tas click nyo lang yon. Now, the application is complete kapag ganito na yung nakita nyo. So yan, makikita mo yung profile mo dyan, pwede mong i-edit yung information and the services na ino-offer nila. So we're done with the step 1. So step 2 is wait for the email na ipapadala ng QC officers. So for the last step, we need to install the QCitizen app sa cellphones natin. So guys, let's try to install the QCitizen app. So, you have to type QCitizen. Ito yung lalabas. So, ito yung nakita ko. Ang logo niya is blue and gold. May nakalagay na letter Q. So, it says here, Quezon City IT Development Department. So, let's try to install it. Let's see kung anong itsura niya or anong makikita natin once installed na siya. Okay, take some time, so we have to wait. Mabilis naman. Okay, installing. Okay guys, let's try to open it. So ito, I'm going to sign in using my Facebook account. I think this is the easiest way guys. Facebook account. Not yet registered. Okay, so ayan, so this is the reason why hindi pa registered. Kasi guys, down yung system ng QCitizen ID, we need to wait for the email na ipapadala nila after the approval and after review ng application natin. So, it will take time siguro. Kasi sa dami din ng nag-a-apply, siguro hindi kaya ng system. And, syempre guys, they have to verify kung tama ba yung information na sinend natin, kung taga QC ba talaga tayo. So, as of the moment, down ng system nila. So, we just have to wait for an update kung kailan ulit pwede mag-register. And, sabi nila meron din daw sa barangay sa mga hindi marunong mag-computer and walang cellphones. So, guys, I'm going to post another vlog about the complete process ng QCitizen ID kapag natapos ko na yung sa akin. So, thank you for watching and abangan nyo yung bago.